If your makeup feels complicated, this is why. This video is going to be about placement. I'm going to use just these few shades to put my makeup on and show you that once you know your undertone, you figure out shades that flatter you, and you use strategic placement, and your face is going to look lifted, glowy, and most importantly, you are going to look and feel like yourself. Let's get started. I'm going to be applying my makeup all into one layer since everything I have is cream based. We are going to use something called highlighting and contouring, and here's what I want you to remember. Contour pushes everything back, but it also adds depth and definition, and that's why it's so important not to skip it. We apply it to our hairline right at the top of our forehead to bring the eye down a little bit, right under our cheekbones to add that chiseled definition look, right on your jawline to carve it out, and we're gonna apply it down the middle of our nose to help our nose appear small. Now that we've contoured, it's time to highlight. And here's what I want you to remember about highlighting. We want to add highlighter to the areas of our face that we want to stand out. When we put highlighter down the middle of our face and on our under eye, it is pushing those forward. So it's saying, look at the middle of my face, which gives you that slimming effect. One common makeup mistake I see women doing is they're applying concealer that's way too light on their under eye. That's only going to draw attention to the texture and discoloration we have under our eyes, and we don't want that. Using a color that's 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone is going to look so much more natural and help diffuse the texture we have under our eye instead of draw attention to it. Now all we have to do is go in and fill in the places where we haven't put makeup on yet with foundation. Now all I have to do is start pressing that makeup into my skin. I highly suggest that you just press in your makeup instead of swipe. I like to start with the lighter shades and press those in around the contour, and then I will blend the contour last. We are trying to get a defined and lifted look, so make sure that you are lifting everything when it comes to contour. For the cheekbone, you are just going to press it in and flick it upward. We do not want to drag it down our face. For the nose, you want to bring everything to the center. Same thing for our jawline. So we're gonna blend it into our jawline and then pull any excess down your neck. I'm going to add a little bit more color back into our face with blush and illuminator. Blush that I use is specifically matched to my undertone. I just applied the blush to the apples of my cheeks and I press it in and bring it up and around. Once I have my blush on, I do like to add a little bit of a subtle dewy glow. So I'll take a little bit of this cream illuminator and apply it to the highest point of my cheek and then just give it a little blend. This just adds a dewy glow to your skin. If you're not into that, you definitely don't have to use it. That's it. That's all it takes. Knowing your undertone, using shades that flatter your undertone, and strategic placement are the 3 things you need to know to rock your makeup. If you are interested in trying this makeup, more information on this page about how you can get color matched, or you can send me a message with any questions you have about it.